Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this trending rose sleeve inspired by Vicky James. Hers was long, but in this tutorial I'm going to make mine short. The first thing I did was to place my already cut out sleeve on this fabric. This is the fabric I'm going to make the sleeve with. So the first fabric I'm going to cut out to serve as the lining. So watch what I'm doing. You will also see when I'll cut the other part. So I'm going to place it and cut it out like so. So after cutting it out, the next thing I will do is to open the center part of this sleeve. So the sleeve length I use for this tutorial is 9.5 inches because I don't want the sleeve to be too long. 9.5 inches. So after slashing it open, I'm going to show you how you place it on your fabric and cut it out. So placing it on the fabric, while I was videoing this part, I didn't realize that my video was not clear on this part, so I was doing it almost off the camera, but then I will show you the correct one where I video it again.
More music on trendybeats.com.
So this is the correct one. This is how you're going to place your fabric. As you can see, these two red circle, this is where you're going to notch it, so that while you are sewing it, it will be easier for you to sew. So I'm going to show you on my machine how I did it. So remember the notch I showed you where to notch on the fabric? From that notch, you're going to sew it with 1/2 inch all the way down. I'm sorry, my hand was covering my camera all this while, but I hope you understand this video. It's very simple though, it's not difficult. So after sewing it, I'm going to trim out the excess and then turn the place I sew like this. So I'm going to use my hand to form the rose. It's so simple, guys. At this point, I was supposed to use a hand needle, but I couldn't find my hand needle, so I had to use my machine to stack the middle of the rose. After tacking it, I'm going to use the first material we cut out to turn this rose sleeve. That one will serve as a lining, like I said, so I'm going to use it. I will sew the down part of the sleeve first, then I'll turn it over and sew the upper part of it. Just see what I'm doing, you understand. So this is the down part of the sleeve. I'm going to sew it. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing in this video. Please, if you don't understand, feel free to tell me on the comment section. So I'm done sewing the lower part of the sleeve. I'm going to turn it over and sew the upper part of it. So after sewing the upper part of it, I'm going to show you how this sleeve looks like before we sew the seam allowance for the sleeve. So at this point you are supposed to iron it. So this is it, guys. Please do well to try this style out. It is round so sleeve measurement is 10 so inches. 10 divided by 2 is 5 inches. So I'm going to mark 5 inches on this fabric and then sew it all the way down to the armhole. After sewing it, I'm going to cut out the excess, place it on my mannequin and then show you how it looks like. You will really love it. Guys, look at this rose sleeve. Oh my god, this is actually rosy. Isn't this so beautiful? I love it so much. Please, if you like this video, please like, share, comment on the comment section. Also hit on the notification bells to get notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.